Hi guys, it's the IT guy from Kimber Creations, and we're just trying to get set up on the focus and the camera and the white balance and fix a little bit of the properties while recording. So you can see that the duck still looks like a duck. No more of the autofocus problem, and it's working out pretty cool. But check this one out. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is the chicken, and the horse. So I'm not quite sure what just happened there, but maybe we'll go with it for a little bit and see what happens. Let's look at the chicken again. I'm sorry. The chicken. And now the duck. Anyway, hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see you all later.